Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can transfer your Amazon gift card balance to another account. So usually if you want to redeem your gift card, just need to click on the account, and then from here you just need to go to gift cards. As you can see, you can view balance, redeem a gift card, purchase a new gift card. So click on this option. And then here you will find your current gift card balance. So click on the redeem a gift card, and basically you just have to enter the claim code, then click on apply to your balance. But if you want to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to another account, as you can see here, your gift card balance, including Amazon Reload, does not or can't be transferred to other accounts. So if we're going to the terms and conditions, basically we don't have direct way on how you can transfer the balance to another account. But in this video, I will show you some ways or different method to basically transfer it to your PayPal and then to your credit and debit card, and then you can just use it to another account. So to do that, open a new tab and we're going to search for Raise Marketplace website. And then you just have to click on this Raise Buy and Sell Discounted Gift Cards Save Today. So click on this link right here. And then you will now go to the main page. As you can see, if you're going to scroll down here, you'll find an option. It says Sell Gift Cards for Cash. So basically, we have to sell your gift card, Amazon gift cards, to transfer it to your PayPal or credit card. So just click on the Sell a Card button right from here. Right? So click on the Sell a Card button. Once you click on the Sell a Card button, then you will now directly go to this page. So we have 3 easy steps. The first, find your cards right here, this for sale, and then get paid. As you can see, receive funds via direct deposit or PayPal when you sell. So when you got the funds to your PayPal, then basically you can transfer the money from PayPal to your credit or debit card. And just like that, you can just go here on the search box and type Amazon.com and search for this one here, and then click on the Get Started button. And as you can see, you will find the current Amazon.com listings, the value, and the discount. And here you'll find Sell Amazon.com these cards. But at this moment, so they are not accepting this brand for sale on the Raise Marketplace. But you can try to open this website on your region if they allowing the Amazon gift cards to sell, and transfer it to your PayPal and your bank account and your debit and credit card. So you can use that to another account on Amazon. So if you're going to back to Amazon here, go to accounts, just need to go to your payments, and here you just have to go to wallet and you can add the payment method, add the credit or debit cards right here. So you can use that balance to buy or purchase a product. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.